Hi. Welcome to PII Web Tech. Every day, a lot of people use search engines and social media to search for content to make an informed purchase. In order for your business to succeed, you need to drive these people to your website. But how? Content marketing can help you. Content marketing is the process of creating, publishing, and promoting custom content for marketing purposes on a regular basis. Here's PII Web Tech. Our professionals help you with expert content marketing for your business. Here's how it works. Suppose you have a website for designer dresses, and now your business is introducing designer shoes as well. We create content about your business and products. Even provide customized content for new products and offers. These contents will be formed into online blogs, direct and third-party, well-written articles, interesting videos and infographics, or even posters. It has to be unique and interesting to grab the attention of the targeted audience. It has to be search engine optimized to rank high in search. After we pin the contents down, it's published on your website and other popular sites. As your contents are search engines optimized with research tags and keywords, people find your website interesting and useful. When your business is marketed with regular quality content, your visitors keep coming back and more likely to go for a purchase. With content marketing, you get more visitors to your site. This will result in more traffic, higher search, increased conversion rates, and more business for you. So if you're looking for content marketing experts, contact us. Please submit your inquiry, and one of our professionals will speak to you soon. Hope I could explain our strategy of effective content marketing. Thanks for your time and for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button for more updates.